is there benefits to one or the other in terms of if I am a fractional, how do I know which one to choose? As a fractional, can I play both roles and just be different in different environments?
There is another sort of flavor of fractional that I actually like myself. I really enjoy this role is what I call the advisor role. The advisor role is where you're a fractional executive for that organization and you're working with a senior management team that's going to implement. So in my example, I'm working with a manufacturing company and my direct point of contact, my direct team is all through their VP of sales and marketing. He owns that piece of the business, if you will, right? He owns that responsibility. He has the marketing people, the sales people, all the external service providers all fall under his area, and he ensures implementation of the strategy. But I work with him on strategy and guidance and advice to make sure he takes action. But I'm not managing the team directly. So that's the advisor role. It's a little more hands off, not as time intensive as a fractional. Whereas if I'm a fully embedded fractional, I'm running the team. I'm in the weeds.
Yeah.
I'm shoulder to shoulder.
So is there benefits to one or the other in terms of if I am a fractional, how do I know which one to choose? Or does it matter on a per client? As a fractional, can I play both roles and just be different in different environments?
Yeah, I'm a big believer in really understanding the needs of the client and really understanding your personal desires. If you only want to just be at that advisory level, then you need to find clients that just need that advisory level support. I do both. I have clients where I'm fully embedded as a functioning executive, and I have clients where I'm more of the hands-off advisor in a fractional basis. So I think it's really understanding the client's need. And one of the things I look for, and I would really advise our listeners to look for if they're thinking about this, is do they have that middle level management that can own the implementation of the strategy?
Mm-hmm.
If they have that person, an advisor role may be a good fit. If they don't, guess who owns it? You do, dude, right? You got to make sure that stuff gets done. So thinking about that sort of hierarchy and the team they have in place helps sort of position yourself correctly.
We want to help you. Find us on our LinkedIn. Okay. Link down below. You look us both up. Ask us questions. We want to talk. We want to help you. As always, he's Dean. I'm Atiba. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.